All eyes are on the Southeast St. Mary constituency this evening as counting is underway after 3 by-elections today, one of them in that constituency. And in the midst of today's activities, controversy. The Director of Elections has taken the Governor General and the Electoral Commission of Jamaica to court.
Orit Fisher has gone to the Supreme Court to prevent his removal from the job. The move comes even as he leads his office in a count of results, not just for Southeast St. Mary, but also Southwest St. Andrew and South St. Andrew.
We have team coverage of that development, the day's activities, as well as the latest on the count. You will continue to see updated numbers at the bottom of the screen throughout the newscast. First, we head to the Electoral Office of Jamaica for the latest on the count and the controversy that's erupted. TVJ's Vashon Brown is there.
Thank you so much, Archie and Doreen. Well, the figures have been coming in fast and furious. Now, the latest figures we have for Southeast St. Mary, Shane Alexis, 4,888 for Dr. Norman Dunn, 5,818. And of course, this is from 77 of 108 boxes. Now, let's move a bit to the other constituencies. We're talking about Southern St. Andrew, where the JLP's Dane Dennis now has 801 votes to Mark Golding's 5,596 votes. This is from 79 of 89 boxes. In terms of Southwest St. Andrew, the PNP's Angela Brownberg, 5,485, and the JLP's Victor Hyde, 164. That's from 85 of 100 boxes. We'll continue to give you the numbers as we get them, but right now I have with me the Director of Elections, Orit Fisher. So first of all, Mr. Fisher, how was the day overall?
I think we had a very successful day. I'm pretty satisfied with the effort made by the staff, the support by the police, and I think we did ourselves justice today.
What were some of the challenges that the EOJ would have had today?
Well, the first thing, the challenge would have been to get the workers out to the polling stations on time and to ensure that we open promptly at 7. The terrain, the conditions of the road, the distances that they had to travel, all these contributed. But we were able to achieve that, pushing out from as early as 3 o'clock in some cases. But we did manage to open all the polling stations on time.
Yesterday when I spoke to you, one of the issues that you pointed to that could be a challenge in Southeast St. Mary for, specifically was rain. Did that pose any problem to the EOJ today?
No, I did not get any report of the weather playing any role.
So the numbers that we have from the EOJ in terms of voter turnout, Southwest St. Andrew, 21.7%. We're talking about 5,580 persons voting there of the over 25,000 people. St. Andrew Southern, 25.5%, and Southeast St. Mary, 52.3%. Is the low voter turnout, is this a concern for the EOJ?
No, not really. I would say that this is par for the course whenever you have a by-election. We normally have fairly low voter turnout in a by-election.
All right, so moving on now to another matter. News surfaced today that you filed an injunction preventing your removal from office. First of all, why did you go to court?
Right now, today, I am concentrating on conducting the election. We have almost completed the process and would have done so in a short while. And that is what I'm concentrating on today and have no comment in that regard.
All right, but finally though, your contract expires tomorrow. Are you expecting to be in office for the rest of the week? My contract does not expire until midnight tomorrow, so I'll be at work. All right, thank you so much, Archie and Doreen. That was the Director of Elections, Orit Fisher, giving us an update on Election Day activities today, as well as that breaking story where he's filed an injunction preventing his removal from office.